Yeah.
All right. So, gentlemen, as you know, I'm from the mass communication background, so I know some certain things how and why people spread the fake news. Okay. On if there's a, there's a lot of elaboration on TV news channels. So trust me, this is the agenda of TRP.
Okay.
Okay. On news channel, if the news channel is exaggerating, praising more and more about a single party or praising more and more about a particular product, so which means it's a part of TRP and marketing.
Sorry, Raghav. Sorry for interruptions. Could you explain what is the full form of TRP? Actually, I didn't thought to know about that. Suddenly comes in my mind.
Well. I don't know whether Deepak. Ajay, do you know what is TRP?
No, I don't know, but what is it? I know, but full form I don't know.
Okay, what is? Of course, we know that, right? We know a lot of things about what is TRP. So TRP is television rating point. Okay.
What?
Oh.
Television rating point. For full form is television rating point.
Rating point.
Yeah. The popularity, that is like in simple word, that is called popularity. A particular television channel popularity is called TRP.
Okay.
Yes. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the things. So what the TRP. So again, if a news channel is exaggerating of one person supporting a particular party or product again and again, that is a part of TRP marketing.
Okay.
Because those are private news channels. They are earning money from advertisement only. Right?
You're right.
So now again, okay, now you have to understand, before knowing how to identify the fake news, you have to understand why people are sharing fake news. Why? Right?
Why?
So why people are sharing fake news? Because of they are, first of all, they are supporter or they hate the particular religion, particular content, particular community or political party. Okay?
Okay.
Suppose I don't like to take Pepsi. I don't prefer Pepsi. I prefer Coca-Cola. For example, so if I get any detail, about the Pepsi, that Pepsi had got less revenue. Okay, Pepsi got less revenue last in 2019. So what I will do as a supporter of Coca-Cola and hater of Pepsi, what I'll do, I'll mix something in my own view that Pepsi loses $1 million just because of firing employees or just because of Falan Dimkan or like whatever things, right? I'll share it to you. Okay, and what you will do, you will search it on internet or whatever, so you will find, yes, of course, Pepsi loses $1 million revenue. The guy is right, but did not care about why the Pepsi has loses $1 million. And why am I sharing it to you? I'm sharing it to you because I'm the hater of things. So before sharing anything, we need to understand the positive way, means a supporter side and the the hater side. From both of the things we have to understand, because being a mass communication student, I do that. Before sharing anything, I do these things, and if I don't find it relevant, if I found like if somebody's side is very low and someone's side very high, I don't do that. Now a question can come. You understand why people are sharing it? Because of their hater or their supporter. There are only few people who shares you neutrally. Okay? No, I don't want to support anything. I want to be very neutral. Take that. And now the question can come, how we can verify the particular thing. Okay? Now there are certain things which you are getting on WhatsApp. Maybe it is a link, YouTube link. Understood? It is a YouTube link. Or maybe it is a particular link of website, it is a video link of YouTube, or it is something, it contains photo, or it is just a video. Okay? Now the thing has come, you have four things. First, what? Website link. Okay? Second is YouTube video link, or maybe Twitter video link, or maybe LinkedIn video link. Okay? And the third thing, what you have, photo on WhatsApp and flat video or text message of WhatsApp. So you have completely 4 or 5 things to verify. So one by one, we're going to talk about how we verify it. On link, if you get the link on WhatsApp, so by visiting the page, you get the link first of all. So if you're getting a link from somewhere on WhatsApp, you just tap on the link and don't fill anything. Look exactly left top corner. On your left top corner of your browser, you see a sign. Google has recently developed that kind of thing which will protect you from the fake and phishing site.
Okay.
If the sign is I, if there is a circle and in circle you find I, which is a danger zone, the site hasn't verified yet. Okay?
Okay.
I. And if it shows you the danger sign, means the site is reported as a phishing site. Yeah. If it is red, or I would say danger zone in corner, left, right, top corner, it is a danger site. You don't do that. Don't even think about anything. Escape the site. Close the tab. And if the website has a lock, a lock sign, that site is completely verified and you can trust the site.
Okay. Like we are showing this in a banking site.
Yep, the banking site, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail. Log in the Gmail on your computer or on your browser. You see always the lock sign left top corner. So these are the verified sites.
In the address bar, I think so. Is it?
Yeah, in address bar.
Yeah. Yes.
It's a verified site. So you understand? If you get a link, how will you verify?
Yeah.
Ajay? Okay. Now the moving on, if you get the video from YouTube, how will you verify it?
Okay.
So YouTube nowadays, YouTube has a thing that is called verified YouTube channel.
Okay.
A tick come from, I would say, there's a kind of a batch that YouTube is providing everybody. So the channel is verified. So they provide you the batch, the batch and check sign on YouTube as well. Again, check that what is the channel is publishing, because most of the channels on YouTube are not verified and they are being run by the individuals. Okay. And if you find it irrelevant, you can always report on YouTube. If most of the people are reporting the channel will be blocked by YouTube. That is the algorithm of YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
Now.
So how could I get that actually? Sorry, I didn't understand. How can I understand where I get the indication mark?
On browser, not on application. On your browser you will get that. Okay. And you can also check what kind of you can also check. Don't believe on his one video. You can check on his thumbnails as well. You can check the other video too. That is he supporting a particular party? It is speaking behind a particular party. If he is, then don't trust on the channel. Now, moving on. A photo part. Okay. Photo part. You get the photo. You don't get any link, any text, no nothing you have found. You found a photo only. The photo has a quote ki community A raped community B woman. Okay? As a photo, in a photo. Now the question comes, how I can verify the rape photo? Okay, I found one picture on my WhatsApp that says community A raped brutally community B girl, and and they thrown after killing them, after so much many stabbing from the knife, they thrown somewhere. The picture was there of a girl. The face was blur, but I could see the rest of the salwar with no pajama. Okay, the sex organ was hidden. All right. So I had the picture. So what I could do, I went to the internet. Google has given you a search via image as well.
Yeah, I know that. I do sometimes.
Yeah, you do sometime. So try to always use. If you are using mobile phone, then that will be a little difficult. For desktop, it is very easy. If you don't have desktop mode, mobile phone, has given the facility to do the desktop. So enable the desktop Google Chrome. Okay, Ajay, enable that Google desktop Chrome, and you can go to the image bar, top right corner.
Okay.
You find the image. So when you click on image, you find two options: search by image, URL. Wherever you have got that URL, you can paste over there, or wherever you got the image, crop the image and send over there, upload there. So whatever the things is public now as a detail related to the particular image, you will get that. Maybe somebody's profile picture, you can search throughout there. Maybe somebody has other posted on the same thing. You can think about it. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
you are right.
So then you will able to know the results after checking 4-5 website whether and how much news is right.
yeah.
The last news what I verified from my own, the news was saying community A had a sex with community, had a sex with a goat, and the goat given a birth of a kind of baby, similar to human baby.
Okay.
But it was mentioned clearly a hatred of a community A. Now, as you know, I'm from the a media background, so I don't believe on a person. We go with the neutral. First of all, verify the news. So I went to the Google search bar and I found that there is no community A. Even it is a part of Kerala, where Kerala farmer found a goat. He had a goat, and now goat has got a baby. There is no community A. No, nothing. Has got given a birth of a one baby, and doctor already took the dead body of the baby goat, I would say, and they're researching on it how it had happened. On the other hand, it's a science term also that we call a twin baby and others. So the things are different. So my question has answered that there is no community A relation with that particular goat. Understood? So I found it now. So the image part is also clear. How we'll find out the photo with whether it is real or not. Okay, let me give you one example. A West Bengal MLA shared on his Twitter account a photo in a snapshot of a Bhojpuri movie, where in Bhojpuri movie a woman was being raped. Like a woman was standing in front of the villagers. Villagers had surrounded them, and one villain was snatching her saris, dupatta, right? And woman was crying not to lose it. The MLA from the West Bengal has shared the same picture on his Twitter account and started people like, this is the things, the community A villain, community B woman is being blah blah blah. Again, at last the he had to say apology because the things wasn't verified. If he had verified the same, he wouldn't have shared it on his own Twitter social account. Right?
Yeah.
So he had to say sorry to the people because it was from a movie, right? Not from a community A and community B.
Yeah.
Now we have okay, are we clear on photo part?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna move on video part. Now you have a video. How you verified it?
Yes.
Okay.
How?
Look closely to the video. Look closely to the video, and if the video is saying community A is killing community B or some sort of other things, you can report to the video, or you can find some sort of text on internet. I have less idea how to verify a video as of now. As of now I have less idea how to verify a video, but I would recommend you whatever the video is all about. If the video is about the rape, you can search on the internet about the particular thing, and if it's possible, then click a snapshot of the video and then upload and search via Google image search. That will help you too.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that could help you also too, but in the same terms, for video you have to take multiple of like 4 or 5 snapshot of the main point. Then you may face a result. I'll come up with the video part, don't worry.
Yeah, we can also identify by watching minutely to the video, like how many cuts are there? Like some video has been edited by the expert, and making some change in a video. Okay. So if you like, if you having means knowledge about the editing, and if you will watch closely to the video, then you found so many cuts in a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Easily you can got the
Yeah.
detail.
This is, also we can follow that to identify it is fake or real.
And if I talk about if you're in Delhi, so Delhi government has already given you a chance to report a particular news. If you don't think this thing, okay, if you don't want to hate your friend, like friend is repeatedly sending you the things, and you want to keep your friendship alive, at the same moment you want to report this because these are the fake things. So you can do what? You can report forward secretly the video to the Delhi police. Delhi police will take action on it, and there is 3 years imprisonment for the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the points.
Okay.
Because if I talk about the recent fake news, remember one time Modi has said for 9 minutes you have to, you have to switch off your lights and lit the mombatti or diya. So many of the peoples by the I would say powerhouse department kind of things, they started faking news like people, if you do that you will lose your electricity, maybe power consumption, power failure sort of things. But that was completely fake. You are allowed. What about the fan? What about the freeze and coolers? That will be,
Actually, that was my comments on that. When I was looking that means content in the Facebook. So I just commented, if you are saying like that, if we will switch off the light, then power will fail, the grid will fail. Then what about the means cooler, ACs, okay, fan, that will be remain on, and that is the things which consuming more power. Comparison to the light.
These days everybody has CFL light, right? Everybody is using these days CFL light.
LED.
LED. Oh, sorry. LED. Not CFL. LED. Yeah, LED.
CFL was earlier technology. It was the old. Latest is LED.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And
so it's consuming less power comparison to the LED also.
Yes.
Sorry, CFL also.
CFL also. Yeah.
It's hardly consuming 9 to 12 watt. Yeah. So that is the thing. Actually, I said because I'm an electrical engineer, so I thought about that. Is it the possibility? Then I thought, no, it's not possible. Yes, it could become if we will off entire life, even completely shut down our isolators. Okay. Our completely power cut in our home. Main switches if we will off, then it will be the chances to load decrease by 40%. That what happening? It will make chances to the power failure. Okay.
Yeah.
But I don't think so. Power will be less from the 30%.
See again. You have got a verified person. Deepak, I was about to dial you on the same day, but I thought let's not dial to the person because you might be getting so much of power calls. Like, oh, Deepak, is it really possible that I'm going to lose my short circuit or some kind of burn?
No, it's not like that. Actually, whenever we actually go through the power plant, actually we expect that power plant should be run on the maximum efficiency. Okay, like power is generating by the hydro power station. Okay, since we generated the power, okay, and if we are not using it, that means the efficiency goes down. We are wasting the power. Okay, so what happened? That time the voltage increased and current will reduce. Okay, so maybe some transformer will get the impact on that. There are more bigger signs on that. I'm just saying you as a non-technical person. So
non-technical person.
Yeah. So it's happening. Suppose you start your generator, whatever we are using in marriage, Yeah, simple diesel generator which we are using, we can see the in village area. If I will start the diesel generator, okay, and if we will not connect any bulb or any fan,
Mm-hmm.
then what's happening? Diesel is already burning, but we are not utilizing this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so what happened? It goes down, efficiency goes down.
Yeah.
Efficiency means output by input. Okay.
Cool.
If output is 0 and input is 1, then what happened? It's very less efficiency.
Well, again, so moreover, and eventually we have covered about all those parts. How actually why it is fake news, people are sharing fake news, what are the terms of fake news, how we can verify the fake news, and so on.
Mm.
A live example of a fake news,
Yeah, you are
Okay.
right.
right?
We got so much idea about that.
Again, so that's what I'm talking about. Like when we are discussing with different mind, we get different things, different knowledge, right?
Mm.
So these are the terms. Never forget. Okay? And while talking, we can learn a lot of things.
Mhm.
Understood?
Definitely.
So I would like to summarize here. We completely figured it out, and I believe you have no. And if you haven't knowing what are the terms to verify the news, you will be good,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
You're right. That was my point. First of all, we should apply our skill. Why this news is roaming,
Hmm.
and yeah, and we should check it. Is it real or fake? And there are various ways to check, as you said.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think you should be analytically consider this matter.
Yeah, every time you consider this. Otherwise, you can increase the level of hatred and others.
Yeah.
And always report to the group. Report to the group. People say, "Arey, bhai, I cannot see you on WhatsApp because I have reported you. Alongside, I blocked you."
Yeah.
Okay.
Even I
Mhm.
when I see some kinds of fake news, I just share the screenshot to the police department.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
It's a long
And
process.
also I'm getting, yes, also if I get some illegal work is going on,
Mhm.
I just report to that. Either we tweet it. If it is not confidential, then we just tweet it to the Jharkhand police.
Mhm.
And Jharkhand police will take actions and he will report it back. I took the action on that. Okay. Like it was the recent news from 15 days before. In
Mhm.
Dhanbad side, there was so much crowded, but now they are not following social distancing.
Mhm.
I got some photographs from my friend,
Mhm.
okay, and I tweet to the Jharkhand police, okay.
Mhm.
Within a 6 hour,
Mhm.
the police took action and department share the report to me
Mhm.
with the photographs also. Now you see, no one is here right now.
Wow, that's
Okay.
amazing, man. How many followers you have on Twitter?
Yes, you can follow me and I'm also follow you back. You can see that news, that Dhanbad news, okay, you can see, I tweeted it, you can see it very well.
Okay.
And you can also see the report of the Dhanbad police.
Oh, sure. We'll do that.
Yeah.
We'll do that. So that's for today, guys. And I believe like we enjoyed a lot about we learn about the culture, we learn about the accent, we learn about the things, what we should do, what we not to do. On the other hand, we talk about the how to identify the fake news, how to get why people share fake news. So be the neutral person. Do not go with the emotion. Less emotion, less pain, and happy life.
Okay.
Right?
Thanks a lot for Raghav for interacting with us and sharing so much informative knowledge. We'll
We are
learn,
getting
at
lots
least
of
while
knowledge
talking to you,
about
we are
fake
learning
news.
our English communications as well. We are learning about some knowledge.
And we are learning, mass communication, like some.
Acha. And how you learn mass communication from me?
From you, because you are learning, and as well as you are, discussing like related with mass communication. So we learn from.
Oh, well, that will be my privilege because I'm paying 3.4 lakh rupees for learning mass communication. That's not easy, huh?
Okay.
And Mr. Ajay learning from you free of cost. That is the great thing,
Yes.
You're trying to learn it for free of cost. No, dude, you have to pay. You have to pay for that. 3.4 lakh rupees is my 2 years.
Yeah. And
So
now
it's
they
mass
said,
communications. Means how long time it will take to complete?
It's all about the course. I couldn't do better in my graduation. Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm gonna go with my post graduation.
Okay.
So I wanted to join Jamia Islamia, which is one of the finest, one of the great mass communication college. I would
Yeah.
say in North. Jamia Islamia is the
Mhm.
best. DU stand
Mhm.
nowhere. JNU stand nowhere. Jamia Islamia is the best thing. I couldn't get admission because there is a 60% coverage. I would say from the Muslim community. It's a
Oh yes.
60% covered seat already allocated to them, and
Mhm.
a rest of 40% is your competition with Muslims, Christians, and
Mhm.
Hindus.
Oh.
So there's a merit
So
list.
mass communications is a course providing the degree of graduation or it's a degree of master?
Masters, it's a communication. Okay,
Master.
mass communication
Okay.
is a part of BA.
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 That means graduation.
both degree are available.
Bachelor degree.
Like
Bachelor degree. It's
graduation
a
and
bachelor degree. It's a
degree also
post
available.
graduation degree. Both are available. But see,
Oh.
Ajay, I was making him understand because he's not from the mass communication, right? So I was making him understand
Okay.
what is exactly. So that is from art field, like art, commerce, science, right? Math is also a
Yeah.
part of science. Do you know? Math is also a
Yes.
part of
Yes.
science.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
art, yeah. So it is mass communication is a field of art because communication is an art. Communicate with people.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So it's a field of art that is being considered under BA,
Oh.
MA,
Okay.
right? So these are the terms.
Mhm.
So you are allowed to choose mass communication from your bachelor's. I chosen bachelor's,
Okay.
but I wasn't
Yeah.
paying attention. I just did my bachelor's to just okay, fine. I want to do mass communication, fine. Now I'm this
Could I
time
know your bachelor stream was?
BA from mass communication.
Oh, bachelor also your mass communication.
Yeah. But I would say I would not tell you lie. I did my bachelor's from mass communication. Just I wanted to choose anything. I chosen this and fine.
Okay. And after that, you also completed your post graduation in also mass communication.
I am not completed. I am opting for it. This.
Okay.
I haven't. I have not taken admission yet because I was about to take admission. For mass communication as a post graduation, I had the aim for I would say Jamia Islamia, but I couldn't make it because I wasn't able to pass entrance.
Okay. I understand.
Entrance was so hard to me, so I didn't do that. So if I could do the same from Jamia Islamia, it would have great privilege to be there as a student.
Mhm.
Now I have to pay 3.4 lakh rupees for a private institute because I don't want to spoil my career for 2 years by just getting one degree. Alongside degree, I need a knowledge.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
So you are just pursuing. You mean to say you are pursuing BA in mass communication?
I have done my BA in 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you are now in post graduation.
I am about to opt in post graduation. So within this 2-3 years time, I was preparing for government jobs as my father requested. Arey, graduation, do the graduation. After graduation, do railway, do others, and blah blah
Oh
blah
my
blah
God.
blah. I did that as
Actually,
every Bihari does.
yes. Actually, this is the problem of Biharis and Jharkhandi who mostly prefer government job. And what I don't know what is the logic behind it. Okay, because due to the society problem,
Yes. So I couldn't make it.
I
To be very honest.
I had a small story. It's a joking like that. Like CEO of Google visited
Mhm.
his native village. Okay,
Mhm.
and villagers, means neighbors person asked him, "What do you do?"
Mhm.
He said, "I am a CEO of Google."
Mhm.
So they replied, "If you would work little more, then you could you could get the government job." You understand?
Okay.
If you study little more,
Mhm.
then you could get the government job. Now
Okay.
you say he's a good CEO. Now
He need to Yeah, he should definitely work for the Bihar or like a West Bengal police.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
Fine, guys. So thank you so much for joining me. I'll talk to you later separately. I'll share this podcast to you as well. All right.
okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.